Yo, Joe fans, Indian Toy Gani is back with second G.I. Joe to review. His code name is Eel. It's a Cobra enemy. Well, let me just give you his appearance. Well, appearance wise, he is having neon yellow helmet with a red visor, blue shirt with a neon chest armor, and arm fins. As you can see here, these are the arm fins, and blue pants with yellow belt and leg fins here and here, and blue boots. Okay, articulation wise, same as other Joes. His head turns here, arm rotates full 360. He can standard o-ring as a main part. Knees also bends up till here. I believe this is version 2 of Eel. Well, he comes with first of all this mechanical shark with his shark jaw. With his fins. Here's a shark fin and one shark tail which goes like this. Okay. He also comes with his silver flippers and one harpoon, yellow harpoon gun, a sort of trident like, and his missile. Okay. Let me just quickly read his file card for you. Well, code name Eels, Cobra Underwater Demolition, vehicle specialty Cobra Rat Pilot. Okay. It says that Cobra Underwater Demolition specialists have come a long way since the day when they were trained in shark infested waters to prove their worth. Eels must now be proficient with sophisticated electronic detection, the latest in plastic explosives, and state of the art closed circuit self contained breathing systems. Okay. Of course, failure to pass the high tech courses could result in disciplinary dip in the shark tank. And we are not talking about mechanical sharks, we are talking about the real, live, hungry ones. That's killer. Eels are also outfitted with razor sharp fins on their suits so they can rip through the thickest hulls. It's a killer one, okay? Nautical spear gun with three prong haul puncturing spear. Okay, I'm just reading about accessories now. Hull slashing wetsuit fins, stabilizer foot fins for power swimming, sophisticated all encompassing breathing apparatus, coral proof anti spear chest protector, torpedo launching robot shark, scuba pack, um, 2 in 1, silent running high impact torpedo. Okay, it's quite a description of eel. Let me just put his accessories on. Here how it looks with his accessories on. Um, his three prong gun, his flippers, and the most interesting, the mechanical shark. Let me just show you how he shoots his missile here. Okay, let me just put him here. Okay, this is actually a sort of spring loaded button. Okay, he is shooting it really nice. It goes like his backpack come scuba pack. So this is how it looks. This gives a better view. So that's it, guys. This is our Cobra Enemy Eel GI Joe action figure review. Please, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Indian Toy Gyani. If you feel like giving me any suggestions, all the suggestions are welcome. So, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for next GI Joe review.